In this video, we're going to show you how you can make a loop with a set length on the Deluge. So I have a MIDI clip here that I want to record audio. The MIDI sent out to the Alesis Strike. That's going into my MX1 mixer and going straight into the line in. And I've already set up an audio track here. I'm going to go into Ranger View. We're going to find that row here. It's Alesis that I've already set up. We're going to press right here and we have it set to blue. I'm going to zoom in here so we can look at it. I'm going to listen to it, see what it sounds like. Okay, so we have that. We're going to arm this audio track, so hold record and press the mute button right here. It's going to be blinking. That means it's armed. So what I do is I'm going to add an empty clip here. It doesn't matter what color it is, just that it's there. So that's the preset length that I want. So I'm just going to press play. Done. So that's been recorded. I'm going to hold down on the head or the tail and press song. As you can see, it's set up. So I'm going to press song again, and there it is. I can reuse this over here if I want. Okay, so that's pretty easy. I'm going to remove the MIDI here. I can just keep adding more and more. Let's say I want to add a new one. So I'm going to add a new clip here. Press right here for settings, and that's an audio clip again. Hold record. We're going to disable that track and we're going to enable the new track. So now I have my guitar here. So I'm just going to add a clip right here because that's the length that I want it to start from here and end here. Let's start recording. So that's done. I'm going to remove that clip because I don't need it anymore. Hold that down, press song. And now I have this. I can play it and extend it wherever I want. And then add the drums up here. So what I want to do, let's add a couple more drums in here. Now we're going to add another clip. Hold down on the new clip, press this. We're going to be in a new audio clip. Hold down record, and we're going to arm the next track. So if I want to add something, I can add it wherever I want. Let's say I want it to end right here and start at the very beginning. So here we go. Let's record it. Okay, so that's been recorded. You can just repeat this as many times as you want. So here we go. We're going to add a new clip. Press select. Hold down record. Add a new track. This one, we'll start here and we'll end here. So I'm just going to move it right to that part. And it'll automatically start from this row over. Done. So again, remove that, hold it down, go into song, and now it's created so I can reuse it anywhere I want.